If you want to factory reset your POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra by using settings, then first of all, of course, we need to open settings. Now once we go to settings, you should be able to open about phone, and then in here we can scroll down in order to find factory reset option. So we're gonna go over here. We have the summary of everything that will be removed from your phone, which is pretty much everything. So remember to make a backup of everything that is important that you don't want to lose in the process. And if you tap on erase all data, you also have the choice to create a backup before you decide to factory reset your phone. So of course, feel free to do so. But if you're ready to perform the factory reset, then of course we need to tap over here. Then you can also clear eSIM data if you want to. So of course we can do that. And we also have the attention information, so of course this is just an information that everything will be removed, and you want to be the phone wants you to be aware of that. So when you are ready, you can just tap next and just continue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.